Jazzy. Call her.
Jazzy.
Say hi, Titi.
Stand in my shoe.
Oh, oh. Fine. What happened? Take your glasses off so she can see you. Where's Titi?
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Look at our toys.
Come here.
The lady was asking me if this was my first baby because I had dishes for toys.
Come here. What are you doing? Huh?
She's full of laughs, this child. Oh! Goodness. She would tell me this one, because when I first came it was just her and her little girl, the redhead. Hey! Look at her, she's throwing herself down. And then I said, I'm glad this little park was here because I was about to drive away. Is that your first one? I was going to ask you about the dishes. Whoa! You silly. You're silly, Jazz. And then they take the ball and she points at them. It's okay. You can play with it.
Come here, Jazzy.
She was pointing at him and he ran away.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Say no. Say no, no. Say no, no. Say no, no. Jaslyn.
Going on that?
Nope, she hasn't left the sand. She loves the sand. She loves my dishes. You like them dishes? Where's your spoon, Jazz? Where's your spoon? Get your spoon. You want the shoe.
Do you want the shoe?
Oh, ball. Get your ball.
We're gonna get down.
Got some music. I need her a sled. Oi! Go get it, Titi. Titi. Did you hear her call you?
She's calling her grandma, Mom.
Titi is you.
She's calling her grandma.
No. When she saw you, she said, Titi. Oh, be careful. Oh!
I'm gonna play music.
Oh! Silly. Oh!